Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Now, are you guys searching for a really powerful AI tool that can help you build your marketing videos? If yes, this video is for you. Now, in this video, I'll tell you guys about a really powerful AI tool that will help you create your videos for your marketing purposes and for your social medias. Now, let us start with an example first. Let us suppose we need a video for this product right here. Let this be our product. Now, if this is our product, you can see it's Amazon's details right here. You will see its colors, you will see its sizes, and you'll see its features, its names, and so much more, right? So, if we just go to our now AI tool, now it's called Top View AI. Just go in your browser and search for it, and this is the Top View AI right here. Make sure that you're logged into it. Just create an account and log into it. Now, right here, you will be able to create videos with AI. Just tap on Create Videos with AI. Now, some features of this will obviously require money. You will need to pay for it. So just check it out. If you liked it, you can even pay for it. Now, what you'll need to do is just copy the Amazon link right here. And what you'll need to do is just paste it right here and tap on Analyze Link. And it will take some time to analyze your product's details. It will check all its descriptions, it will check for its features and so much more. Now, what's amazing about this is from these descriptions right here, it will find out its key features and its key takeouts, and it will put it in the video, and it's that simple. Now, just type in your all of the product names and so much more right here. Let us do that. Let us just copy this much and paste it right here, and just give it a brief description. Now you can use description about it from the products uh, page too. Just type in some things, and yeah, it will take some time. As you can see, it's analyzing 77%. And while it does that, what it does is it checks out all its pictures, it checks out all its videos, it checks out all its written notes and descriptions, and so much more of those details. Now, if we see right here, it will uh, maybe it will even uh, add GPS as its features. So like that, it will just take out the features. Now, as you can see right here, it will just select the materials that you can use. Now you can check out the materials, and you can check out each and everything right here. And after you do that, just tap on continue, and it will start creating the video. Now, after you've done all this, as you can see, it has even given you the video's brief. And after you've done that, you can just, yeah, wait for it. And after it's done processing, it will create a final video, and you can tap on generate, and you will be able to generate the video. It's that simple, guys. You don't need to do any of the heavy work. You don't need to click the video, you don't need to edit the video. And yeah, that is how you use top view AI to generate a marketing video for your product. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and yeah, take care. Bye bye.